Look, that's how true it is. Look, I only started this channel like what, like 2 months ago, and I'm already at what? How many subscribers? Like 40 subscribers. And like I'm not really doing anything crazy for real, right? Like I'm just look at my views. Like my views is not even that bad. Like 11 views. Nah, that's pretty bad. Like 11 views. This one got 214 views, 12 likes, 85 views, 8 likes, 40 views, 7 likes, 59 views, 11 likes. Almost 300 views on a video of just me working out, 12 likes. This one got 101 views. Another video of me working out, 9 likes. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm showing y'all this so that like it could motivate y'all to just like do like what you call it, like do anything that you want to do for real in life. Look, cause that's how true it is. I started this YouTube channel on some like 11 subscribers. I had like 11 default subscribers, and I started it with the intention to like blow up and like start like get like my shit monetized and stuff like that. And like I'm already on the road, like I'm already making steps towards that. You feel me? And I remember there was a point in my life where I didn't believe in myself that I could even do that type shit. And like these past 2 months, pushing my videos out and going outside and recording and buying like random stuff like mics and stuff like that and trying to like make shit happen. I'm trying to tell you that like if you don't give up on something that you want to do, like you eventually get to the point you want to be at. With this channel, like I proved to myself that I'm making steps towards my goal, and that shit like it gets me hyped because it's like if I could do it, you could do it too. Like, bro, there's nothing stopping you from achieving anything in this world as long as like if you it's just like a mental thing, it's like a mental barrier. Like there be times where I be saying like, yo, my shit got no views, like where like my shit got no views. I be tell you low-key. But then I be thinking about it because like it shows me all my analytics. Like I'm gonna show you analytics for this video right here. Look, this one got 101 views and 30 likes, right? But look at the fucking, hold on, go on analytics. This is raw footage. Like I'm trying to really show y'all like that this shit is really craziness. You could dead do anything you want to do in life. That shit is crazy. Look, I'm gonna go to the analytics on this, right? And then I go to reach, right? And it's gonna tell me it's gonna show me the impressions. Like, look how many impressions, right? Like for someone that doesn't know what an impression is, it's like my video got shown this many times to people, and then there's like this is how many people actually clicked it though, only 100 people, but it got shown almost 3,000 times on people's pages and stuff like that. Like that little thumbnail icon, it got shown to 3,000 people, right? So like my video got pushed is what I'm trying to say, right? And then look at this other video, right, that I posted. All right, so look, this video right here, this one got it got 285 views, almost 300 views, and 12 likes, right? So when I click the analytics, this one was crazy. I was like, oh shit. Nigga, that shit got almost 20,000 impressions, bro. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's like simple shit like this that shows me that I'm on the right path. And if I just keep going and getting better with my thumbnails or whatever, like the content in the video, then I'll be able to get monetized. You know what I'm saying? Like that. Like it's so crazy. Like I'm seeing like the literal progress. This is like this is like as if, say if I do push-ups, right? And if I start out, I'm not gonna really see gains like that. But by the end of the week, if I do push-ups that whole week, every time I wake up, I do some push-ups. This is like the gains that I'm seeing. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm like physically seeing the numbers is what I'm trying to say. And that shit got me amped up to keep going, right? And with that being said, I want to just really show y'all that like you could really do anything in this life, bro. Like this shit is so simple. You gotta just make it simple for yourself so that you could really just, reach that end goal, bro. 'Cause look, if I got 18,000 impressions, imagine that was 18,000 views. Like what? What? I would have been jumping for fucking joy in my room. Like what the fuck? That shit would have been, I would have done a backflip or some shit like that. Look, this one only got 40 views, right? See the impressions though. 423. Imagine that was 423 views. You know what I'm saying? My click-through rate on this video was pretty good. My thumbnail was kind of fiery. Talking about some Tekken 8. Nah, but yeah, the only thing you gotta do is just stay consistent on what you're doing. Either it's working out, if you got a job, you know what I'm saying, just lock in on that. Or if it's YouTube, like what I'm doing right now, just keep pushing those videos out, and eventually you'll get to a point where the work will pay off, right? And then once that work pays off, you don't just stop right there. You gotta just keep going. It sounds mad cliche and stuff, but it's the truth at the end of the day. So it's like, I'm saying, you gotta just lock in and just like, you gotta be a little, I feel like you gotta be a little delusional too, cause like, you gotta be like fake crazy for this. Like, cause if you're not really crazy for it, then it's like, like I just watched the video like earlier, and he's talking about the definition of delusion. I'm gonna look it up for y'all. Definition, it says, a belief that is held with absolute certainty, even when there is no proof to prove it. Like a belief that is held with absolute certainty. Like you gotta be mad certain that you're gonna get that job. You gotta be mad certain that my videos is gonna blow up. You gotta be mad certain that in 3 months, if I just keep doing these push-ups, these fucking, I forgot this shoulder press. If I keep doing these squats, if I keep doing them crunches, if I keep doing this, that, then I'm gonna be certain that I'm gonna unlock that body that I want, or whatever it is. You feel me? Like you gotta be fake delusional with the things that you want in life, because at the end of the day, no one's gonna be delusional for you, or no one's gonna put in that work for you. No one's gonna really see it the way you see it in your head. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I know like all of y'all like have experienced it before, where y'all have a vision in your head of like where you want to be at, or what you want to be doing, or that dream car, like that dream whatever. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like those are visions. You gotta really just work to do the work that is needed to get to the vision that you've seen in your head. You know what I'm saying? I had a vision where like I'm like, yo, my YouTube channels is gonna be mad successful, just blowing up, niggas in the comments saying funny shit, mad likes, mad views. And I already experienced a little drop of that with the videos that I got right now. So I just got to keep working towards that vision. You know what I'm saying? Like, and that shit is crazy. Like, so with that being said, like, I just want y'all to like go crazy in life. Stop thinking about other people. And word, like, catch me on my next one. And if you felt some type of way, or you got some good information out of this, drop a like and a comment. That'll help me in my vision. Feel me? And word. Catch me on the next one.